DeepSeek photo uploading problem fixed. So if you want to upload photos in your DeepSeek and if you're facing a problem, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go and open up your Play Store and search for DeepSeek. After searching, if you have the application already installed, if you have any updates, you need to just simply go and update it, because if you've not updated, then it might find this kind of problems. Once you've updated the application, you need to next go with open, which will be on the right side, and after opening you need to go with the plus option, which will be on the bottom, and then go with photo or image or document, and you'll be able to upload it. But if you're not being able to upload it again, then you need to search for DeepSeek, tap and hold on to that application and go with the app info section. Once you're on your app info, you need to go with permissions and make sure that you allow the permissions like the camera and microphone. After that, scroll down, go with storage and cache and clear the cache. Now after clearing the cache, your problem might be fixed and then the photo will start uploading in the application. And also you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have the internet connection, the photo won't load. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.